We are also grateful to the media for the reporting of the general election results, which you have been doing diligently. On that aspect, I wish to state that the Commission signed a memorandum of understanding with the Kenya Media Sector Working Group on the 4th of March 2022, and one of the areas of collaboration was to provide comprehensive and objective coverage of the electoral process, including tallying and transmission of results. The Commission gave media access to polling stations, tallying centers, and the results portal to report the progress of election results in real time. The original intention was that the various media houses will join hands and have a consortium through Kenya Media Sector Working Group to report on the progress of election results in real time from one source. However, the media houses opted to do it independently, which were decisions beyond the Commission's control. And we take note that as a result of that, the tallies across the media houses vary, and we appreciate that this may be so, because each media house is accessing the public portal of the result forms at different times, and each is using its own criteria and sequencing, among other factors. But just want to inform Kenyans that the final announcement and declaration of the presidential result will be done by the National Returning Officer here at Bomas, and what may be happening at the media houses showing various results, we hope at the end of the tallying they'll be harmonized and they'll look similar, because the results are from the same source, the same public portal. So there should be no panic about the differences we are seeing on the media screens, TV screens, because of the approaches the media houses may have taken.